Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I got the latest in from Fat Quarter Shop. I can't wait to jump in and show you what we got. All right guys, I'm pretty sure this is our next dragon fruit block of the month. I've got months 1, 2, and 3 on the wall behind me. I'm so excited to be sewing this one out with you, and I've kind of impatiently been waiting for this one to get here so we could do another round of paper piecing. So let's make sure that that's what it is before I get too committed here. If you're sewing this along, there's a lot of fun different pieces that we're using. We're using different sizes. We're using different foundation papers. I was totally wrong. You guys. Okay, so this is Portofino. This is Fig Tree's newest line. This is the Fat Quarter Bundle Monthly Club from Moda, and I am really excited. So this is the January 2025, and this is Joanna's newest one. So let's open it up and take a peek.
Okay, so again, this is Portofino by Joanna Figueroa over at Fig Tree Quilts or Fig Tree Fabrics, and I am super excited to get my hands on this. This is actually the first time I've seen this one in person, so look at how pretty that is. So Fat Quarter Shop with their Moda Club every month is going to give us this card that has all of the different fabrics and the SKUs on it, and I will get you guys a close-up photo of that. Okay, so if you're familiar with Fig Tree Fabrics, they always kind of have this same tone of red. Fabrics, I don't even know what patterns they came out with this fabric line, but it's really kind of a nice tomato red there. Oh, that's fun. We've got some berries on the leaves. This is really a pretty, I don't want to say muted. There's a lot of color, there's a lot of pattern, but it's not wildly over the top, or at least not in this curated bundle by Fat Quarter Shop. I like this kind of this cantaloupe and a little bit of a lighter melon yellow color and a little bit of this butter. I always love getting to sew with Fig Tree Fabrics, you guys. And I love that they pull back to older collections. I could probably pull anything of my older Fig Tree. Yes, I'm a hoarder. Like that whole bundle still matches with this one, or at least like close enough to be able to pull some of those fabrics together. Yeah, I think I have a fat quarter, a charm pack, a layer cake, and a jelly roll in that fabric line. I really like that fabric line a lot. Okay, I really like this pattern. We've had it now in 2 colorways, at least in this bundle. And then we've got something that's a little bit more floral, a little bit less geometric, and a little bit more natural. I like that a lot. And then this other colorway with the berries and the leaves again. And you almost always are going to get some really nice floral prints with Fig Tree. I like this pink peachy, oh, it like matches my nails today. And then a little bit of this brownish color, kind of reminds me of that cinnamon and spice. Is that the name of that line? I think it was cinnamon and spice. Cinnamon and cream. Yeah, cinnamon and cream. See, I knew I was close, but I wasn't quite right. But I do like how that ties in and kind of pulls it a little bit fall. I know a lot of people don't like to use brown in their quilts, but that can be a lovely like border or skinny border to really accent. It would be great as your cornerstones as well. And then another lovely floral. Oh, that's nice. I like that a lot. That's really fun. It's not a background, but it is not super high contrast, so you could absolutely use it in some blocks as your background, which would be really fun. So yeah, I think that turned out to be a really great bundle.
Okay guys, that is our latest unboxing from Moda's Fat Quarter Bundle Silly me, I got it all twisted and tied. I guess I'll have to wait to finish our next dragon fruit, but I'm so excited to have the new fig tree fabrics. I hope you guys are too. I'm going to be focusing on trying to get more patterns that I do as a sew along that are going to really utilize these bundles that we're getting every month. So I hope that's helpful. Comment below if that's something that you'd like to see. If you do like watching any of my unboxing videos or some of my other tutorials, it helps me out so much if you hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, guys, I will see you next time.